Hello friends, today we will discuss linear algebra. We will prove some important result which is useful so many questions. Result is consider a polynomial fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus dot 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 plus anx to the power n over a field k. If lambda is an eigenvalue of a matrix A, then f lambda will be an eigenvalue of fa. Now we will prove this result. Suppose lambda is an eigenvalue of A corresponding to the eigenvector x. Then ax is equal to lambda x. It is clear, and clearly ix is equal to 1 into x, where I is an identity matrix. Now a square x is equal to a into a x is equal to a ax. It is called equation first. Now using equation first, we get a square x is equal to a lambda x, because ax is equal to lambda x. So we will put here is equal to lambda ax. Again using equation first. We get a square x is equal to lambda x. We'll put here x is equal to lambda x. We get lambda into lambda x. That's imply a square x is equal to lambda square x. Similarly, we can show that a to the power n x is equal to lambda to the power n x for all n belongs to natural number. We can easily show this. We rewrite this. We rewrite ix is equal to 1 into x, ax is equal to lambda x, a square x is equal to lambda square x, and so on. A to the power n x is equal to lambda to the power n x. Again we can write a naught ix is equal to a naught x, a1 ax is equal to a1 lambda x, a2 a square x is equal to a2 lambda square x, and so on. An a to the power n x is equal to an lambda to the power n x. After adding this, this we get and a naught, a1 and dot 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 an are scalars. Now we will get a naught ix plus a1 ax plus a2 a square x plus and so on an a to the power n x is equal to हो जाएगा a naught 1 into x plus a1 lambda x plus a2 lambda to the power 2 x plus and so on plus an lambda to the power n x. This implies that a naught I plus a1 a2 a square plus and so on plus an a to the power n x is equal to a naught into 1 plus a1 lambda plus a2 lambda square plus and so on plus an lambda to the power n into x. This implies that this is f of a. This is f of a x is equal to, and this is f of lambda. This shows that if lambda is an eigenvalue of a, then f lambda will be an eigenvalue of f a. Hence true. Now we will use the result in this question. This IIT JAM 2020 section A MCQ question. So question number 19. Let M be a real 6x6 matrix. Let 2 and minus 1 be two eigenvalues of M. If AI plus Bm, where A, B belongs to R real numbers, then these are the options: A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11 and others. So discuss this question. Solution. Given हमें m to the power 5 is equal to ai plus bm और m to the power 5 minus bm minus ai is equal to 0. Consider a polynomial consider करेंगे with the help of this equation. So polynomial is f of x is equal to x to the power 5 minus bx minus a, or we can write f of m is equal to 0 because m to the power 5 minus bm minus ai is equal to 0. So f of m is equal to 0. Now using the result, what is the result? If lambda is an eigenvalue of a matrix A, then f of lambda will be an eigenvalue of f of a for any polynomial fx। रिजल्ट हमने अभी प्रूफ किया, सो यूज दिस रिजल्ट। गिवन है हमें 2 and -1 be the eigenvalue of matrix M। Therefore, by using the result, f of 2 and f of -1 will be the eigenvalue of f of M। Because f of M, what is f of M? F of M is equal to m to the power 5 minus bm minus ai is equal to 0, or f of m is equal to 0. Eigenvalues of f of m are zeros because this is the null matrix, we know that. Eigenvalues of null matrix are 0, therefore f of 2 equal to 0 and f of -1 is equal to 0, because f of 2 and f of -1 are will be the eigenvalues of f of m, or f of m is the null matrix, or eigenvalues of null matrix are 0, therefore f of 2 is equal to 0 and f of -1 is equal to 0. Now f of 2 is equal to 0, or 2 the power 5 minus into 2 minus a is equal to 0, or 32 minus 2b minus a is equal to 0. This is called equation first, and f of -1 is equal to 0, or -1 to the power 5 minus b into -1 minus a is equal to 0, or -1 plus b minus a is equal to 0. This is called equation 2. Now from equation first and second, subtracting equation 2 from first, we get -33 minus 3b equal to 0, which implies that b is equal to 11. Put b is equal to 11 in equation 2. -1 plus 11 minus a is equal to 0. This implies that a is equal to 10. So our first option is correct. A option is a is equal to 10, b is equal to 11. This option is correct.